How to post a long video on Facebook story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the limit in Facebook story is 1 minute. You cannot post videos longer than 1 minute. So what you will have to do is split the video. To do so, go to your Play Store and then search for video split. And there are several applications that you can use. You can use any of it. Simply select one, install it. Or what you can do is use any of the video splitting or video editing applications like your CapCut and then open it. Tap on skip, go to edit, go to new project, add, and after that what you will have to do is split the video in durations of 1 minute. Scroll over and then go to 60 seconds duration and split it here. And now what you will have to do is download each of these videos separately and then export it separately. After that you will be able to post it on your Facebook story separately, but it will look like one. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll get you in the